So, hello everybody. As you may have seen in the prior video, today we'll continue in our search of shall rescue this car. Welcome to Olaf's Oldtimer. In the last episode with my friend Thomas, we found out that maybe the oxidation isn't that bad, so the car might be worth to be saved. Just to remember, I've had it for, I don't know, 7 years now. I bought it for 1,000 euros. It has 385,000 kilometers. And yeah, I like it. I want to save it, but is it worth it? And now we're going to double check down here in these arches if this part actually can be saved. Next issue would be the exhaust, which has been welded beyond belief, so I'm doubtful we will pass the TÜV with that one, and changing the front wheels would be a minor issue. So let's have a look. So first success. I could break those bolts loose, which I haven't been that successful in past time, but they loosened up quite well. And now let's see if our old little car jack is going to do the job to lift the car and not break everything. And then we'll take a look inside the wheel arch. So far so good. The wheel is off. First thing I noticed was down here. It doesn't look good, but still it's only the former rust protection on there. It's still rock solid, I think. And just bought some new stuff, so we'll spray it on. And the other thing is what we saw here. Well, somebody told me, I don't know if you can see it, but I'd say this is rusted through. Let me just grab some light. So we are back, and I think you can see a bit better now. Uh-oh. So far about thinking this is just a tiny little seam and we just need to put some sealant in it. This is not the case. Not on this side. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. And this is what we see after some more peeling. Shit. Well, take a look at the other side. Just a real quick comment. I wanted to show you what the original idea was, how to fix this. That was the idea. Wrong guess. Well, as I said, let's take a look at the others. So, against the plan to look at the other side and the rust there, I decided against it because I saw it was almost the same. Instead, I decided to sit in the garden now and have a gin tonic. But I went into the hardware store and bought some stuff to repair. And as soon as I have some special glue, yes, glue, for metal gluing, you'll see next week what I plan to do. So, all kind of working on this car for today is done. So, have a great night. See you soon.